it was my student, now on a shore leave, casually strolling along the beach. Who would have thought that years later, we'd met like this, far from classroom, enjoying the sun and the sea together. It was none other than Mark Joseph Cando, a marine engineering student before, now living his dreams and still the same friendly face I remembered from school. Naka-remember pa po ko unsa ka-struggle si Ma'am Julina pag-entrance exam aning bataha. Karon, si Manang. The honeymoon was over, and it was the time to head back in the Philippines. As we headed up home, I saw a very big billboard of Devon Apere and Renat Rainbow. Sila na daw ni Ayuno ang ipulis sa Castle. Enjoying the beat of music of the road, I suddenly heard someone shouting, "Help! Help! Help!" Luckily, there were police officers and the holdup was caught right away. I looked at the police officers who was very brave in arresting the holdup. I saw Patrolman Rani Lubab, Police Captain Aljan Arrest, Police Major Luigi Santusigan, and Police General James Brian Chavez. The policeman looked after the girl who was being held up, and then they found out it was a doctor, Dr. Clea Marie Ares. We reached home at exactly 6 in the evening. We shared dinner with my parents, enjoying some chit-chats about our trip to Bali, the sunsets, the beaches, and all the unforgettable moments. And then, amid the laughter and stories, we shared some very special news to them. We were having a second baby. 9 months later, ma'am, congratulations. A healthy baby boy was delivered at 7 p.m. But here's the surprise. I looked closely and I couldn't believe in my eyes. The doctor attending me were my very own students, Saifullah Altiti and Sherry Ann Lumaho. Guess what? They were not only doctors, but they were also happily married. Yan na tayo si Sherry Ann. Puni pa tayo share. Kay kami na po mupaanan mo. I replied, simba ko. We were waiting the van to fetch us. I heard some drivers talking about the new owner of the Cirrus Bus Company. I heard, sa una, maglakaw pa na siya ikan SWCS padung lungsod para lang magkadungan o lunch sa girlfriend. Guess what? Out of curiosity, I asked them, Kuya, kinsa di ay ang bagong pamilya sa Cirrus? Pagpupuan ko ang aming nilungan. Little did I know, it was Renz Brian Panubo. Along our way home, I listened to the news that DPWH Secretary LJ Colonia is getting married to our Department of Education Secretary Janine Arnejo. It is the most awaited wedding of the year. Stated in the newspaper that DPWH Secretary spares over 10 million pesos for their wedding. I'm out of words and just say, maayo lang utang walay votes project na involved. I continued to stroll and suddenly heard a cheerful voice. Pag-amping kanunay, dalay ko ng Diyos, bye-bye! The tagline sounded so familiar that I immediately thought it was my former colleague, Ma'am Ivy Armenia. But then, I looked at my phone screen, and to my surprise, it was Mary Valerie Pereiraco, who now has 50 million subscribers. We stopped at the mall before going home. It was Danray Colinares. It was Danray Colinares, O'Brien, Casas, and their ultimate leader is Kyle Horza. Girls were screaming and people saying, "Hala, agwapo sa F4." Then I knew what they were the new F4 heartthrob in the Philippines. Deep inside, I told myself, "Manuman sigulas ang leader ulit." Sa una, leader ang siya sa buang sa classroom. We reached home at exactly 6 in the evening. We shared dinner with my parents, having some tea chats. After eating, I was scrolling across my timeline and saw so much congratulations. Red Marks Sumarago and Barry Dominic Harden passed the bar examinations and they were now certified lawyers. I tapped myself and said, "Maumaling mga bata ang labaw pas attorney makarasol ka Kuya Benji para lang makagawas during lunchtime." It was just a normal day. I sat on the balcony of my home feeling the cool breeze of the afternoon. I was thinking about buying some new clothes. While deciding and scrolling through my feed, suddenly a live selling video popped into my Instagram account. Pamay, bring of clothes to find, tagtulogos na lang. Nag-curious ko, mga akong itutukan ng live. O dito na ako nagkita kung kinsa ang tagya sa maong clothing shop. It was sa Manta Nicole Molita. O mas na siya ko, kay naamay tingog na lingon. Love, sakto na ang love. Uy, hello, ata. OMG, little did I know, it was Vince Lopez. Nagbalik kayo sila. Singing the vision, hello, love again. The next day, my family and I decided to have a beach vacation. As we headed up north, I saw again a very big billboard of Hendrik Hermosillo and Melody Banyas. My mom told me that they became the most popular love team in the Philippines. We finally arrived at Camp Leon. We then sneaked a peek and I bumped into a familiar figure. Jessie Don Leon was the owner of the said beach. She just got married and just bought